Mastering Regular Adverbs, the gateway to fluent English. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting session on English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a crucial aspect of English grammar, regular adverbs. Understanding and using regular adverbs properly can give your English a remarkable fluency. So, let's dive in. Regular adverbs are a vital part of English grammar, enriching our language with detail and color. They describe how, when, or where an action happens. For instance, in the sentence, "She sings beautifully, beautifully," is a regular adverb telling us how she sings. The fascinating thing about regular adverbs is that many of them are formed by adding "ly" to an adjective. For example, quick, an adjective, can be turned into quickly, an adverb. The majority of regular adverbs are formed by simply adding "ly" to the end of an adjective. So, if we have the adjective quiet, the adverb form would be quietly. Similarly, happy becomes happily. This is a straightforward rule, but mind the spelling changes like in happily, where y changes to I. But wait, not all adjectives that end in ly can form adverbs. Take for example the word friendly. You can't say friendlily. Instead, you would say in a friendly manner. So while many adverbs are formed by adding ly to adjectives, remember it's not a universal rule. And practice is key to mastering these nuances. In a sentence, adverbs usually come right after the verb they modify. For instance, in the sentence, "He speaks loudly," loudly modifies speaks. However, sometimes regular adverbs can come at the beginning or end of a sentence to add emphasis or clarity. For example, sadly, "I missed the concert," or "I missed the concert, sadly." It's also important to note that adverbs should not be confused with adjectives. Remember, adjectives modify nouns, while adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. That's it for today's journey into the world of regular adverbs. Remember, understanding and using regular adverbs effectively can significantly enhance your English communication skills. Practice regularly, and before long, you'll be using adverbs as naturally as a native speaker. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until our next session, happy learning!